Hey guys! Welcome to another IGTV about the Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G, and na-mention ko na to before, but this is the first 5G smartphone for the youth. Guys, once you get this phone, then you'll be the first one to experience 5G with lag-free gaming experience. So dun sa mga gamers dyan, I would suggest this for gaming kasi this has faster performance as well, since this has the KIRIN 820 5G AI chipset. Philippines, like second half of this year. Guys, ang gusto ko dito, you don't have to change your number or SIM card to access 5G. Diba super hassle nun, you have to change your number, tapos kailangan mo pa i-inform yung friends mo na nag-change ka ng number. So guys, hassle-free talaga when you have your own Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G. So guys, mag-a-add ako ng clips ng comparison ng 4G and 5G para makita niyo yung difference. And guys, yung mga shots na papakita ko, those are shots sa Makati. So meron mga places na sa Makati and TGC na may access sa 5G. So now, I'm gonna tell you guys why purchasing your own Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G is worth it. So the first one is this has excellent photo processing. So yung photos talaga and videos are super high quality. This has the 64MP 5 AI cameras, ayan. And like what I said a while ago, meron nga siyang smooth gaming experience. Second is if you're a vlogger or gusto mo lang talaga mag-take ng videos, then super ganda ng quality nito, like high-res, super sharp video quality. Pag napanood nyo na yung Instagram haul ko, then you guys will know the quality of this phone. Third is it offers speed and connectivity. Fourth is the superior for 5G mobile phones. And guys, yung Huawei kasi na-master na niya yung art of 5G connectivity when it comes to technology, network, and chipsets. And guys, lastly, since maganda nga yung performance ng phone na to, you won't have a hard time downloading apps from the app gallery. And guys, yung app gallery na yun, it's the third biggest app store, and halos like 95% of the top apps mada-download nyo dun. And yung mga apps talaga na kailangan nasa phone ko are like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And guys, aside from the app gallery, meron ding petal search widget ang Huawei. So basically, it's like a gateway to more applications. So I'll be inserting a screen recording for you guys to see how to access the petal search widget. Listing here are the steps on how to access it. So yeah, that is it for this IGTV all about this Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G. If you guys are interested sa phone na to, I'll put the link down below. And I'll see you guys in my next IGTV. Bye!